Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we are going to discuss cohort analysis in Tableau. Cohort analysis involves looking at the groups of people over time and observing how their behavior changes. For instance, if we send out an email notification to 100 people, some may buy the product on day 1, less on day 2, even fewer on day 3, and so on. But if we send another email to 100 people after a few weeks, they will be buying the product on their day 0, while the first sent email might show its prevalent lag effect on the buying decision. Now, let me show you one example here of cohort study. The app which is launched and users on day 0, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7, day 8, and day 9. Now, on day 0, 100% people, those if we consider 1098 users as 100%, then on Jan 26 1358 again 100%. Now this 100%, how many of them continued with us on day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4? So that is the retention over user lifetime, and that is row wise. And if we talk about column wise, retention of over the product of lifetime, that over the period, how many people are using this app. So we have to do the analysis row wise and column wise. This is known as a triangular chart. Now, what is the interpretation from here? So if we talk about 1358 users here, remember this figure 12.9. So 1358 users launched an app on January 26. Day 1 retention was 31.1 percentage. See, means out of 1358 users who install the app on their cell phone, 31.1% retain. Day 7, the retention rate was 12.9. Day 7 here. And day 9, retention was 11.3%. So on the 7th day after using the app, 1 in 8 users, 1 in 8 users means if we take the percentage of this 1358 multiply by 0.113, we will get that is 1 in 8 users who launched an app on January 26 were still active users on the app. So out of every 8 users, 1 was active. Out of all the new users during this time range, 20 out of all the new users, 27% users are retained on day 1. This one, 27% are retained on day 1. 12.5 on day 7. This one. And 12.1 on day 10. This one. Now, what are the advantages of cohort chart? Product lifetime, we get product lifetime and user lifetime. So product lifetime is basically comparing different cohorts at the same stage in their life cycle. And user lifetime, seeing the long-term relationship with people. We will understand this cohort analysis with the help of Tableau. From here, I'll pick up the order date. And from here, I'll pick up the sales. I'll convert this into the bar chart. Now we want to see how many new customers joined us in 2008. How many new customers joined in 2008, and we were able to retain this customer till 2021. So for this, I will have to create a new field, and we will give the name to this as customer acquisition. So you can write down here customer acquisition, and we will use fixed LOD. So curly braces, fixed customer name, minimum order date. So we are using minimum so that it gives me the first date according to the name of the customer when the order was placed. Let us close this. When it gives the message that the calculation is valid, press OK. Now you pick up the customer acquisition and drop it into the column. So you can see here that the 2018, the entire bar of 2018 is blue. And we are getting one new bar of orange color in 2019, red color in 2020. Now, what does it mean? So this orange color bar is a set of new customer who joined us in 2019. These are the set of new customers who joined us in 2020. And this one, these are the new set of customers who joined us in 2021. Now, this customers, the sales which is given by this old customer, it was 4,84,000. The same set of customer in 2019, the sales have decreased 3,65,000. In 2020, again the sales increased by our old customer who joined us in 2018. And in 2021, again you can see the sales have increased. So the sales from the new customer in 2019, these are new customers, in 2019 is 1,05,000, and here 54,804, and here very less sales is from the new customer, that is 7,512. Now click here and press sort and click according to the descending. So this sales will flip. Now if I want to have the information from the sales of new customers, I'll click on labels and show the mark label. So it will give me the sales. So 4,84,000. The customers who joined us in 2018 are giving me 3,65,000 in 2019, 4,54,000 in 2020, and 5,33,000 in 2020. Now, if we talk about the orange one, the customer who joined us in 2019, which gives a sale of 1,05,000. Now the sales is only 99,000, but again it increased in 1,31,000. The customers, those who joined us in 2020, their sales was 54,000 in 2020. It increased to 60,906. So we can say that we are very good in customer retention. We are able to retain the customer, but we are not so good in acquiring the new customers. Customer acquisition is not so good, but we are good in customer retention. Now, instead of sales, if we want to generate the chart according to the customer, that is the count, according to the count, what we should do? So I will remove the sales figure from here and I will include the customer name here. So you can see the customers, these are the name of the customers and those who joined us in 2018, 19, 20, and 21. Now click here and convert this measure into count distinct. So now this will give me the counts. So 595 customers, new customers who joined us in 2018. Now this 595, probably some may have dropped. So we were able to retain only 437 customers out of 595 who joined us in 2018. In 2020, this figure is 485, and in 2021, it is 2020. It is 517 in 2021. If we talk about those customers who joined us in 2019, 136 customers had joined. We were able to retain 102 in 2020, and 120 in 2021. Those customers who joined us in 2020, that is 51 customers joined us in 2020, 45 we were able to retain. Now I'll convert this into the percentage. So click here, quick table calculation, and make it percentage of total. Yeah, quick calculation, make it percentage of total. So let me make some more changes here to give more clarity. See here, this the 75 percentage figure is generated. Instead of it, let us make this 100%. That those customers who joined us in 2018, let's make this as a benchmark. So for this, I will go here and I'll compute using customer acquisition. Yeah, this is better. This is quite good. So 100% customers, if I consider 2018 as my benchmark, out of it, we were able to retain 76 percentage in 2019, 76% in 2020, 74% in 2021. So this is the way we interpret. So we are quite good in customer retention, but in customer acquisition, uh, we have to put some more efforts. We can also compute using the order date. Okay. So if we consider the first purchase being done on in 2008 according to the order date. So 73% people have repeated the orders, 81.51 have repeated the orders, 86.89. We are comparing with 100%. Similarly, if we consider 2019 as 100%, then 75%, 88%. In 2020, this will become 100% and this is 88.24%. Needless to say that in 2021, the new customers will become 100%. So this is the way we do cohort analysis in Tableau. For more videos on Tableau, you can subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I have already uploaded many videos on Tableau. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the like button.